Now, the second step of conversion is merge .cpp file into .h. In template class definition, we don't have two files, .h and .cpp separately, but you should have only one file, .h only. So for tnode, the tnode.cpp, let's copy the whole contents and then paste it after the class declaration here, closing brace and semicolon. After that, just paste it. So keep the .cpp file inside the .h, so we do not separate into two. In that case, since we have merged into one, include the tnode.h is no longer needed, and then those include the namespace. Those one should be better placed on the top of the code. So let's move it the top of the program code. And then tnode.cpp is no longer needed. So tnode.cpp, let's remove from the project. And then tstack.cpp, we do same thing. So let's copy the entire code of tstack.cpp, and then let's place it at the end of a tstack.h and paste it. Do so. Similarly, tstack.h inclusion is no longer needed, and those ones let's place it at the top of the program code. So we have merged .cpp into .h, so tstack.cpp is no longer needed. So let's remove from the project folder. It's there. So that's step 2. So in step 2, why we do such is in template class definition, so .h file is not compilable. It does not produce any code. So you cannot compile this template class definition without being used that. So that's why we put into .h, which you never try to compile then. So when you do make a file, goal is ada.out or ada.exe if you are using Windows. Here, all I have is main.o only. Then main.o produces executable code. In the main.o is by compiling main.cpp, and where tstack.h is used. So as you can see in main.cpp, tstack.h is used there. So compile main.cpp. So this is just the maker file. So you can compile cpp only, that's main, and then tnode, tstack is template, so you never ever compile separately. What it means or why it happens is that each template class definition is not compilable because the type is unknown, but as you use it, like by providing type, then this whatever is provided here with int will replace all the occurrences of a t in the code, and then compiler works. So template class definition by itself, you cannot compile it until application code actually uses that. So that's step 2, merge .cpp into .h. So that's step 2 of a conversion process.